Following Gajapati Maharaja Dibya Singh Dev's letter to ISKCON over conducting Rath Yatra ahead of the traditional schedule, Odisha Law Minister Prithviraj Harichandan has issued a stern warning, urging the organization to honour the sanctity of Jagannath traditions. The Gajapati, who also chairs the Jagannath Temple Managing Committee, had clearly outlined the sacred protocols that must be followed, not just in Puri but across the globe, to ensure Lord Jagannath's rituals are never compromised. Minister Harichandan expressed hope that the letter will inspire ISKCON to reflect and realign with established temple customs. He reminded that any violation of ritualistic norms could attract legal consequences. The minister also stated that the state government, along with devotees of Jagannath culture worldwide, is awaiting ISKCON's formal response. Notably, while ISKCON reportedly agreed to observe Snana Yatra on Jyeshtha Purnima, it had declined to shift the Rath Yatra to Ashadha Shukla Dvitiya, the date prescribed in holy scriptures. The law minister made it clear, maintaining ritual discipline is non-negotiable and any deviation will invite appropriate legal steps if necessary. This situation has once again underscored the importance of preserving the sanctity of age-old religious traditions.
बहुत स्पष्टतार सहित सामान्य गजपति महाराज से कथा चिठी लिखिं मैनेजिंग कमिटी चेयरमैन हिसाब से ISKCON को चिठी भी से दर्शे से स्पष्ट भाव में लिखिं रीतिनीति कौन रहा आवश्यकता अच्छी कौभली भाव में महाप्रभुंकर नीति पालन हवा कथा से कथा समस्त बाबद लिखिं एथिरे मु भावुची ISKCON कर्तृपक्षंकर से चिंता चैतन्य उदय हम एवं सेमाने यथारीति जो भाव में करने कथा ताकू करेंगे। अंततः कौन सी जगार महाप्रभुंकर जो निर्धारित रीतिनीति को कंट्राडिक्ट कला भाया कौन सी कथा को सुजोग दिज्व ना एवं जो कथा आम आगुरी भी कहीलु ए बाबद कौन से उत्तर दौरान आम अपेक्षा करुचु दरकार पड़े आम निश्चित भाव में आईनगत कार्यानुष्ठान को जीव।